from Nashville from Manola Ranch, and I'm here today to show you how to assemble the single 22-inch. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. Let's start by cutting the straps. Like that.
Oh nice, all one swipe.
Cut up the tape. Open. And here we have the cage. So right now the instructions are right here with the hardware, flag, and the instructions. So let's pull it out.
Alright. Make sure to keep your work area clear. Alright.
Pull this off. This. We have to make sure we don't lose this because it's almost
Yeah, you sure don't want to lose that.
Okay. So here we got the frame.
The frame pair with their tray holders.
Feeder. Tray. And the cage.
Alright.
Let's start assembling. Put the cage on its side.
Yeah, it's usually the easiest way to do it. Just lay the cage down.
Wanna take this all out. So
That's your instructions, right?
yes, it's our instructions. I won't need them because it's a very simple process. Set this aside. Our flag, made in the US.
And all your hardware.
Nuts and bolts. Okay.
Alright.
Do one side. Put it in like this.
So we're gonna put it, you're gonna put it in with the tray holder down and the dimples up, right?
Yes.
Alright.
So start in the center.
Alright.
Or
Start in the center. Try to get a, there we go. Alright.
Not tight.
Yeah, so you just don't want to snug them up yet until you have it horizontal or you have both frames on. But either way, while she gets that squared away, she did mention you have your feed trough. This goes along the front of the cage. You have your waste pan. That way you can collect all the waste and just get rid of it easy. Just don't let it overfill. That way it's not overburdening you. And your two drinker cups in the back. They're the heavy-duty plunger cup system. They're all connected, so you're ready to go. You have to do no connection for this particular setup. And they do come with its valve or hose to bucket adapter. All right.
Over. Same process on this side.
And she'll do a demonstration on the bucket. Usually, a lot of customers have buckets laying around, so it's just cheaper to drill one of those out, a bucket or a tote, maybe a Tupperware. But we also do have it online if that's something you're looking for with the on and off valve.
Over so it's easier.
Alright.
Okay. Like that.
Alright.
So let's tighten the cage. You get the full. You get the 7/16 wrench. Take out the center. It's got an impact because it's easier for me.
Yeah, she's just a lot smarter to do it with an impact. She doesn't like wasting time.
Right here. Here.
Nice.
There we go.
All right. And that's basically it, right?
Yeah. Assemble.
Just put the trough in front. There you go. Let me help you out here. And you can slide that in from the rear or the front. Either way works. All right, and your setup's ready to go. So can you just run real quick on how to do the bucket as well? Like if they got one laying around, you know what they should do.
Of course. Okay. So this does come with a stem valve for the bucket. So let me take that off.
All right.
You can add Vaseline to make it easier for
Just to lube it up, like Vaseline, or maybe you have like lip balm or something like that. That'll just make it a bit easier. She's got a little neat trick on what to do.
So an easy way to do it. We don't want to put all in the bottom, so all the debris you have in the water can lay there. So it won't get in your system. Put the valve like that. Mark it. You're gonna drill in the center of the line.
Yeah, you're gonna drill in the center line or maybe a little higher. Like she'd mentioned, the debris will settle and it won't go in your line, clogging your lines. No one wants a headache.
A 1/2 inch hole.
Yeah, it's a 1/2 inch is easier, and she marked it out, so she knows what to do when in the middle.
Go.
All right, she'll get that cleaned up.
It's pretty clean. This in.
And you use a pair of pliers and just wiggle it through, right?
Yeah. Any easier position for you.
There you go.
You hear that click?
And you're gonna want to make a little pinhole on the bucket lid. That way you don't get like a vacuum seal. It's a breather hole basically.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you think you covered it all, Nash?
Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple process.
All right. Well, she said it. So that's basically how you assemble a 22 inch, and Nashville is here today to help you. Thank you, Nash.
Of course. Thank you.